Hey everybody, today we're going to be taking a look at Portulacaria Afra, commonly known as the elephant bush. This plant is extremely hardy and is native to South Africa and Mozambique. It is adapted to be grazed on constantly as it holds a lot of moisture in its leaves, and thus it is a very fast grower and responds well to trimming. I'm going to be using this cheap pair of trimming scissors, but your fingernail or a sharp razor blade would work fine. Just be careful when handling sharp objects. So let's start by talking about how this plant grows. Here you can see one of the nodes. This is where your new growth will begin once you've done some trimming. I like to make my cuts directly in between both nodes. This plant is extremely easy to propagate as each leaf or branch trimmed off can be replanted and grown into an entirely new plant. So we'll use this branch here as an example. One of the first rules of trimming bonsai is to take the bottom leaves and branches off, allowing the upper leaves to reach up towards the sun and fill in to create a nice lush canopy. So you can see here all the bottom leaves have been removed. All of the leaves pointing downwards will start to point up towards the light. Whenever we start trimming, it's important to take our time, but also not to overthink it. I always start trimming by removing the bottom leaves and branches, and once they're out of the way, it becomes a lot easier to choose your next cuts. With excess foliage out of the way, we can now focus on making some deeper cuts. Cutting this branch back close to the trunk like this will encourage a split and eventually will give me that full, lush canopy I'm looking for.